Hi, I've got my Firefox open at Home Talk, and what I want to do is to show new people how to add their signature. Okay, you go up here once you've created an account and so forth. Go up to your account and click on Account Settings. Left click, and then you'll notice over here, there's email address, recently used device. Okay, here signature. I'm going to click on that. And then they have this interface down here where you can add, this is my signature, and I added all this stuff, and the hyperlinks use this, where to go, where to go? There it is. If you want to add a hyperlink, see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hyperlinks in mine. Of course, mine's more of an advertisement. I'm not learning the software. I help others learn the software. But anyway, you get the idea. You turn on View Signatures, and then you're all set. You click on Save, and then you're all set. So let me reiterate. That's under up here at the top where your account name is. Settings, left click, and then Signature, left click, and then add your signature, save, and then all your posts. We'll know a little bit about your software, a little bit about your computer is useful, because some questions are relative or germane to your hardware and your operating system, and some are more generally pertain to the software that you're using. See, I use everything, so I said so. I actually should change this. I just added a new version recently. And the new home designer titles, oh, I need to change that. And the 2021 titles, home designer titles will be out in the next few months, since the new version of Chief is in beta right now. Okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Click Save, and then this is the way your signature will then be. Up here is updated to updated mine, and that's the way it'll instantly appear on all of my posts. Okay, I hope this helps you, and have a great day.